Okay, today we're going to replace the screen on a T430 Lenovo laptop. As you see here, if I can maybe adjust a little bit. Screen's a little cracked on this one, just a little bit. So yeah, it's actually not too hard to replace at all. Got our new screen here in the mail from laptopscreen.com. Came in a package in this little envelope, and then there it is. So hopefully it works. Alright, so first I'm going to turn this off, power button, unplug the battery, and we'll pop it back open. And so probably never try this, maybe you have for whatever reason, but this just comes off pretty easily. Just start pulling from the bottom. It's just these plastic tabs that hold it in, and just try to be careful you don't break anything. But they all came out. There's about 6 across the top, 5 across the bottom, and 5 across each side. Once you have that off, you have your screen here, and that's held in by 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. Once you unscrew those, you'll be able to take the screen off and unplug it. So let's do that first. Actually, it looks like the top screws have little spacers. Actually, they all look like they have little washers. Just try not to lose those. Alright. Now we have all the screws off, so just lift the screen up. Comes right out. It's the backing right there. And then just gonna turn it around. Let me help you see this. That's where it connects right there. So you can get that off. A little piece of tape, a little plastic shielding. It's going to have to come off first. Once you take the plastic shielding off, you just pull the connector right out, slides right out. Just use the little hooks on the side. Don't pull it from the plastic. You don't want to rip the wires, otherwise you're going to have to replace that as well. That's a little more. It's a little more taking apart your laptop, so let's not do that. So we have a new screen here. You're going to slide the connector right into the connector we had it before. Make sure the wire connector is flush with the metal of the little holder slides into. Just all the way in there. And then we'll just use the same tape. Just pull it back, cover it back up. Alright. Okay, now the screen is in place. I'll just use the same 4 screws. Alright. All 4 screws are back on the screen there. We're going to take the plastic cover and slide it back on from the top. Watch out for the little, the 2 hooks that you use to lock your laptop. And your webcam, if you have one up there. And then, once you start from the top, as you work your way down, it should all start to click into place. It actually has a little screen protector on it too, which we'll have to slide off, but the bottom ones are probably the trickiest ones to click into place. Just have to push them down a little bit. Alright. It's back on now. Alright, so let's take battery. Pop that back in there. And hopefully it works. Whoa, there we go. Good first time. Alright. There we go. Looks like it's a little too bright. I'm trying to turn the brightness down, see if it helps you see it. But there we go. We have a working laptop screen again. Fantastic. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. And hopefully this helps you out. Thanks.